Do you ever find yourself scrolling through your phone and searching for inspiration, wondering how you can make your mark in the world of AI? Well, look no further than Amazon Bedrock, the easiest way to build and scale generative AI applications with foundation models. With Amazon Bedrock, you can accelerate the development of generative AI applications using foundation models through API without managing the infrastructure. Choose from a wide range of foundation models built by leading AI startups like AI21 Labs, Anthropic, Stability AI, and Amazon in-house models to find the right foundation model for your use case. Privately customize your foundation models using your organization data for maximum efficiency. Deploy scalable, reliable, and secure generative AI applications using AWS tools like AWS SageMaker and other tools and capabilities that you are already familiar with on AWS. With Amazon Bedrock, you can quickly get started on key use cases like building conversational interfaces such as chatbots, virtual assistants to enhance the user experience for your customers. Text generation, search, text summarization, image generation, image classification are just some of the other use cases that Amazon Bedrock can help you with. So, why wait? Choose from a wide range of foundation models and get started on your AI journey with Amazon Bedrock today. Amazon Bedrock, the easiest way to build and scale generative AI applications with foundation models.